So in this video, we are gonna be finishing this area and this part. Only the side bumper. We can see that. And yep. So I want to say one thing that in the previous video where we created this mesh panel, I forgot to do one thing. I'm gonna do it now. Let me just apply all of this first and then search solidify. I forgot to solidify this. Quickly do it. If you do also like followed me, you can do your own. Just check that there are no errors. Like you can see this. Let me first apply it. Yep, there is this one vertex out of bounds. So let's fix it. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So let me just see this. Perfect. Comments like this helps me keep motivated. So please comment your feedback. So now let's start the lower panel. We are gonna select this and let me first change the image so we can see. Oh, yeah. So there is a panel connecting this thing. So we want in between first select these three vertices and shift D to duplicate it, paste it. Let me see. Yeah. So separate it, separate the selection, and now we want a edge. So we'll select this vertex and head. Select both of this vertex and E to extrude it to Y. And let me select this to press F and F. Yeah, this gives the look kind of. We will further improve it, but for now, it's great. We'll now E and X to connect this stuff. And this thing needs to be rotated on X-axis. Just do a bit and bring it inside, but for that, we get a vertex. So we get a smooth transition. Let me see now. Yeah, it's good. Now, let's go here, select these three vertices and just stretch it out. Yeah. Yes. Yep, that's fine. Okay. So let it cut till here. This two, this one too. Uh, I think that the solidify will solidify this thing. You got it. Let's solidify it. Let me change the thickness to 0.2. Even thickness only in high quality stuff, blah blah. Then, oh, we're making a mistake. Yep. Before solidifying the stuff, let me first flip the normals. Now, and shade smooth. Let's solidify it. We don't need only remove this thing. And apply. Add subdivision surface. Make it to and apply. Yep. Our side plate is done. Now we are gonna be making this thing. For that, let me first get here. Select about this. Let me go in this view and then search for over this. Shift D, P, select, separate it, select bed separation, and extrude it till here. Now extrude, extrude, extrude. Follow this line. I mean, don't go, don't attach this thing to this last stuff of the body. And let's extrude it here too, till here, then here. Let me first align it in first view. Attach this thing like this. Let us see how it looks. Very neat. Yeah, this needs to be here only. Else everything is fine. I think so. Let me just get these here rather than that. Because we are going to be working on side stuff mostly from top view. So we need to align carefully from the topmost view. So now we will connect the stuff one by one. Before that, till here, press Control and select this rope tools and space it out for even spacing. And extrude this thing to F it here to space it out. And just check that these needs to be somewhat flat. Yeah, it is, but are extra flat. So we will bra make it somewhat outwards. Yeah, done. So now let's connect the pieces one by one. F it, have this, have to fill, and stuff. Easy. Yeah, so these need some adjustments. First, let me just add a vertex here so I can bulge it out. Now, 1, 2, 3. So let me first. Nah, not this one too. For this, I need to delete this vertex and create a vertex here and connect this vertex and add a vertex here. Now, F all of this and F all of this. This thing is for the car. This thing is for the flashlight you can see here, not for the car. Let me shield both. Here there are some adjustments we need to make. We will create a crease here. So it looks like a tires guard. This area, this part is for flashlight. This bonnet is looking good. We need the sharp crease here. So let's just that like that. Take it out. Now all of this and bulge it in like that. Not exactly. We need some adjustment. But yeah, now add the cream here. So it looks dominant this. So swap these opposites and cut it back. Let's see. Yeah, this looks fine. There was this thing outwards, so we need to adjust this stuff too. And now select all of this vertex. First connect these vertices, and then select this, press F, select this, press F. Now, so select this thing pressy, then make it inside. Or just eye it and then move it pressy. And then make it somewhat like this. This will be our headlight. And for that, we will select this, press I to make it lower and extrude it out. This is too much. We need length that is good enough to just feed the effect of a light. Yeah, let me just select all and shift the shift hand. And now, so let's see here. We still don't have that bulge part. So let's select these vertices. Alt S, bulge it somewhat out. Select these vertices. Alt S, bulge it somewhat outwards. You can see these are inwards, so let's select these and Alt S to bulge it outwards, giving it a rounder look, kind of a smooth surface. So now, as you can see, our deadly bonnet is looking great. Let me apply this stuff over here and solidify with even thickness, only rims, high quality. And let's apply it. Let's see. Yep, no problems. Do it one more time. Now, as you can see, our, our face of the Nissan GTR is kind of glorifying, is nourishing. So, see you in the next video where we will cover other parts like these, or maybe I'll first finish the headlight and then head over to the side bonnet. Till then, take care and goodbye.